batteries last for 7 years, 9 years, or possibly even 10 years, we've got something special for you.
Have you ever wondered how long an electric vehicle's battery lasts before it needs replacement? Could it be 7 years, or even 9? In the world of electric vehicles, the lifespan of batteries is a hot topic. Most people assume that just like the batteries in our smartphones or laptops, EV batteries will degrade rapidly, needing replacement after just a few years. Well, that's not quite the case. The truth is, the longevity of an EV battery isn't measured in years, but in charge cycles. A charge cycle is defined as the process of charging a battery from 0 to 100%, and then discharging it back to 0. This means an EV battery's life can be vastly different depending on how it's used, so it's time to set aside those common misconceptions. Instead, let's dive headfirst into the enigma that is EV battery longevity.
Would it be okay with you if I asked you to please listen closely? We have an extra surprise for you, if you stay until the end.
So, let's debunk some myths and dig deeper into the fascinating world of EV batteries. What if we told you that the secret to EV battery longevity lies in the science behind it? Now that's a statement to ponder upon. Let's delve into the science that makes this possible. Electric vehicles, or EVs, employ a variety of batteries, each with their own unique characteristics. However, the most commonly used ones are lithium-ion batteries, credited for their exceptional energy density and long lifespan. So how do lithium-ion batteries work? Well, at their core, these batteries operate on a simple principle. They have two electrodes, an anode and a cathode, with a lithium-rich electrolyte in between. When you charge your EV, lithium ions move from the cathode through the electrolyte and onto the anode. During discharge, or when you're driving your EV, this process is reversed, and the lithium ions move back to the cathode, releasing energy that powers your vehicle. However, it's not just the movement of ions that contributes to the longevity of these batteries. The quality of the materials used, particularly in the cathode, plays a significant role. High-quality materials reduce the risk of unwanted chemical reactions that can degrade the battery over time. Another critical factor is thermal management. EV batteries generate heat during operation, and if not properly managed, this heat can damage the battery cells, shortening their lifespan. That's why EVs are equipped with advanced cooling systems to keep the battery temperature within an optimal range, further enhancing their lifespan. Moreover, the way you use and maintain your EV also affects battery life. Frequent fast charging, for instance, can stress the battery and reduce its lifespan. On the other hand, regular slower charging and avoiding deep discharges can help prolong battery life. In essence, the longevity of EV batteries is not a mere coincidence. It's a fascinating blend of science and technology, where every detail matters. From the materials used in the battery to the way the vehicle is used and maintained, all play a role in ensuring that the battery lasts for 7, 9, or even more years. So, the longevity of EV batteries is not just a stroke of luck, but the result of meticulous scientific research and development. Now you might be thinking, is it just the science or is there more to it? Well, there is. Technology. Indeed, technology is the unsung hero behind the longevity of electric vehicle batteries. It's not just about the chemistry of the cells, but also about how these cells are managed. This is where the Battery Management System, or BMS for short, steps into the spotlight. The BMS is like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring that each cell in the battery pack performs at its best. It constantly monitors and controls the battery's environment, regulating temperature, voltage, and current. This meticulous management helps prevent overcharging or discharging, which can significantly shorten the battery's lifespan. In addition, the BMS also plays a part in redistributing charge. It ensures that the energy is distributed evenly across all cells. This balance helps prevent individual cells from wearing out faster than others, promoting overall longevity. But the technological marvel doesn't stop there. Advanced algorithms embedded within the BMS predict the battery's behavior, helping to optimize its performance and lifespan. These predictive algorithms are continually refined and improved, making the BMS smarter with each passing day. Furthermore, technology is also employed in the battery's physical design. Engineers are constantly innovating, developing more efficient layouts and cooling systems. These designs help the battery maintain an optimal temperature, which is critical for its longevity. In essence, the BMS is the brain behind the battery, tirelessly working to ensure its health and longevity.
When are we going to tell the viewers of the special we have for them? If they stay until the end, when are we going to tell them?
Later, when towards the end of the video,
It's like having a personal physician for your battery, constantly monitoring, diagnosing, and treating it to ensure it's in the best possible condition. So, while the science behind the cells is indeed important, it's the technology that truly brings it all together. It's the technology that takes an already impressive scientific feat and pushes it to its maximum potential. It's the technology that ensures your EV battery doesn't just survive but thrives. Indeed, technology plays a crucial role in ensuring your EV battery stands the test of time. Let's move from theory to practice. How do these batteries perform in real-world scenarios? Imagine cruising down the road in an electric vehicle that's been running smoothly for over 7 years without a battery replacement. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's not just a fantasy, it's a reality for many EV owners. Take the example of a Tesla Model S owner from California. His car has traveled more than 200,000 miles over 7 years, and he's still using the original battery pack. Yes, that's right. 7 years, and not a single battery replacement. The secret to his success? Regular and proper maintenance, and a disciplined charging routine. He never lets his battery drain completely, and always tries to keep it between 20 and 80%. Let's cross the Atlantic and meet an owner of a Nissan Leaf in the United Kingdom. She's been driving her EV for over 9 years, covering a whopping 100,000 miles, again on the original battery. Her secret? She only charges her car when it's necessary, and never overcharges it. On the other side of the globe, in Japan, a taxi driver has clocked up an astonishing 175,000 miles in his Toyota Prius plug-in over 6 years. Again, still on the original battery. His secret? Like our other examples, he sticks to a strict charging routine and gives his battery a rest whenever he can. These are just a few examples of EV owners who have surpassed the expected battery life by several years. They all have one thing in common. They understand the importance of proper maintenance and charging practices. Remember, overcharging or completely draining your battery can significantly reduce its life. But, with a bit of care, discipline, and attention to charging habits, it's entirely possible for EV batteries to last 7, 9, or even more years. So as we can see, with a bit of care and attention, EV batteries can indeed last for 7, 9, or even more years. So, what have we learned today about the longevity of EV batteries? Firstly, we've discovered that the enigma surrounding the lifespan of these batteries is shaped by a combination of factors. The science behind EV battery life is a critical factor, with advancements in battery chemistry and design contributing to their extended lifespan. We've learned that technology also plays a pivotal role, with smart management systems enhancing the efficiency and longevity of these powerhouses. Additionally, we've delved into real-life examples that demonstrate the surprising endurance of these batteries, with some lasting 7 to 9 years without needing replacement. These examples highlight the role of proper maintenance in ensuring the long life of EV batteries. As we wrap up this exploration into the astonishing lifespan of EV batteries, remember this. The next time you wonder about the lifespan of an EV battery, remember it's not just about the years, it's about the science, the technology, and how you take care of it.
yes, the Go Green Hub is the go-to source for all things of sustainable energy and transportation.